How to share Wrike workspace project with team. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share Wrike workspace project with your team. First, go to the space that you want to share, then click on the gear icon at the top right of the screen. Go to Settings, and here you will see a list of members of the space and their roles. If you want to add a member to the space, just search the name on the search bar here and click on Add. If you want to make that person be able to share it with others as well, then change the role to Admin. Another way of sharing a space is by right-clicking on it and click on Share. Another option is to share your work by tagging. Select the project that you would like to share and then click on this plus sign right here. Type the name of the space and click on it. Now, you have tagged that space. You may easily remove this by clicking Remove. And that's how you share Wrike workspace project with a team. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!